the latest update. We started this back in April, making these masks. Okay, so one size truly fits all. We're going to go ahead with just a 9" by 7" rectangle, men and women. We found that the elastic cord is the most comfortable fit. So you can use the elastic cord, or you can go ahead with a 1/4 inch soft elastic that makes a comfortable fit also. And if you use the 2 cord locks, you'll be able to adjust the size. When you're sewing the mask, if you're using the 1/4 inch, make sure it's flat when you sew it down and you're sewing it to the front side of the fabric. You'll see why as we go. It together with a 1/4 inch seam, going all the way around, and you'll be leaving a 2 to 3 inch opening. That will allow you to turn the fabric right side out through the 2 to 3 inch hole. When you're done, flatten with your hand or with an iron and go ahead and sew up that 2 to 3 inch opening. Then you'll be folding pleats. You'll need 2 pleats going in the same direction, and you'll want to make sure that the mask is no wider than 3 inches. Many find ironing down the pleats before you sew them makes the process of pleating a lot easier.
I have been asked about putting these toggle locks on wide elastic and narrow elastic. How do we know to do it? Which way? I have the toggle here. You have a narrow opening that you use closest to the fabric for the narrow elastic. For the wide elastic, you use the wide opening closest to the fabric. So let's put it on. We'll use the puller, running it from the narrow hole to the wide hole. I then hook it on the elastic and I slide it down over, and it goes on easily because you have the wide side against the elastic. It's that simple. On the narrow, you would just reverse that process.
And we're done. It's that simple. If you're needing more instruction on the sewing aspect, go back to the Daras Face Mask, the very first one posted back in April on my channel.